Hello guys, I'm just gonna go show you how to make a simple motor. I'm here with my little ones, and the materials that we're gonna need, I'm gonna need to use, I will need of course the tape to tape it on. You can use this other regular tape.
Good.
You also need to have sandpaper to sand your magnetic wire.
And a battery.
The battery, we're gonna use this battery here. The round battery size D is what we're gonna use. And of course you need two paper clips. You need two paper clips like this one here.
Daddy.
I think we need a bigger paper clip. But
I can take it outside.
It's okay. Let's use the small one and see what happens. And then of course you need a magnetic wire. And did I talk about the magnets? I have 3 strong magnets. We call them neodymium magnets. Alright, this is how you do this. So what we shall do is first we're going to sand the ends about 2 centimeters of the ends, both sided. So let's start by doing that. Sand the ends. You make sure you sand it nicely so it's able to conduct, because this wire, this magnetic wire, is enameled, which implies that it has a coating. It has a coating that is going to prevent current from going through. So that's why you have to make sure the coating is totally removed. See that? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sanding cleanly. And you will see. Alright. When you sand it, it looks very shiny like this. Before sanding it up, it looks like this. So what I'll do is I'm going to tie this up on this battery like this. Jimmy, you're making noise like this, and leave it there like that, and I will take it off like this. Make sure I'm gonna tie this one like this here. Make sure you tie it nicely and make a very nice turns. And this is good. And then I'm gonna make another one that looks like that. Here. Right here. Right here. Chimmy, you're making noise. Right here. Right here. Right here. I think this one was a little bit longer, but that's fine. So now I've made a loop. This is a loop of a wire containing several windings. Okay. The next thing I'll do is tape the paper clips. I already opened the paper clips. They're looking like this. I'm gonna tape them. I'm gonna try to use this other glue, this other tape. It's kind of stronger. Jeremy, can you stop? I'm making a video. Don't use any words that are no good.
The dog is making the bad words. He's making noise.
Can you go blow your nose?
No, it's just clean myself.
Exactly. You go clean it. Alright. Look at this halfway again. This scissors not sharp.
It's not that sharp so I can cut it?
Yeah, I'm struggling. Oh, it's all right. Let's try this one. So let me tap this one right here, like this.
Wow,
sure
I
you
love
tip
it, Daddy.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
let's
so
see.
cool.
The next step is coming up.
I'm gonna put this one also.
Wow, it's so cool. I love it, Daddy.
You do?
Keep it on. Once again. Hit the first one.
Okay.
Once you finish.
Now
battery.
it's ready. You know what I'm gonna do now?
No.
I need to put the loop, this loop.
Ooh,
Put it right there.
I like it.
Jimmy seems to like it already.
I like it.
Okay.
So well.
The last thing you do is you put the magnet, the permanent magnet. Okay? Make sure that this is able to conduct. You know, I don't know if my battery is already. Sometimes if it doesn't, my battery might be too low. Otherwise, it should be able to. It's getting stuck somewhere.
I know we got a take so it can help it. So it can stop falling down.
Just use this tape next time. It's way better. It's way stronger.
You think so?
Yes.
You know why it's not spinning?
Huh?
I think the battery is not very strong enough.
Maybe we need this one.
I guess.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's spinning! Spinning!
Yep, we did it, right?
Yes.
Don't stop, don't stop. Okay, I think I'll need to try again. Let's try one more time. It should just start spinning by itself, you know that. Okay, it's stopping on the way. Oh, see?
It couldn't spin that long.
you did it, Daddy.
It did it, right?
You have to hold the battery and then you did it.
Yeah, see? Now this is a simple motor. That's all how motors work. Did you know that?
Yes.
What do you need to have to make a motor again?
We need to have very strong tape, a battery that has lots of strength so that this can spin.
Mm-hmm.
What is this type of wire again?
Which one?
This wire.
It's called magnetic wire.
Magnetic wire,
Yeah.
twisted paper clips, and 3 magnets. Maybe you can use 4.
You can actually. It depends on the strength of the battery too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you have a strong battery, you actually even don't need a very strong magnet. But all of these factors go into. So you also need to have sandpaper to sand to expose your magnetic wire. Otherwise, it won't be able to do anything. You know. So this is good.
Can I hold it?